back to my show. This is the Naomi Egger Educational Show where we follow schools. It's been an amazing school year already on this school we're following, and I'm telling you, they are doing an amazing job. The teachers are good. The students are learning so fast, and I'm telling you, you want to see what these children have for us today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Good day, class. So today we'll be looking at number-based system. Now under that, we'll be looking at the specific objective that by the end of this class, you should be able to explain the meaning of what number-based system, convert from one base to base 10, perform arithmetic operation in number-based system, apply number-based system to what? Computer programming. Now, first of all, we need to know and understand the meaning of number-based system. And if you look at the screen, we have what we have as what? Number-based system. Now, let's move on. Number-based system. What is a number? A number is a mathematical value used for counting or measuring or labeling what? Objects. Now, you can apply mathematics to so many science subjects where you can count the numbers, like counting of objects. You can also measure them or what? Label them. Now, the numbers can be converted from one base to another, and you can also what? Perform arithmetic operation. And what do we mean by arithmetic operation? We mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, and what? Division. What is a number system? Now, a number system is the number of what? Digits, or combination of what? Digits that a system of counting uses to what? Represent number. Now you have digits like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But when you combine 1 and 2, you have what? Combination of what? Digits. So 1 and 2 becomes what, class? 12, isn't it? Yes, so that's how you combine what? Digits. Now, in our number-based system, we mostly use our decimal system of counting. Now, if you move on, we have types of number system. There are several types. The first one we are going to look at is what? Binary number system. And under our binary number system, we have 2 digits, just like the name signify. Binary, 2. So you have 2 digits, which is what? 0 and 1. What did I say? 0 and 1. Now the next one is what? Octa number system. Octa means what? 8. So the number is in base 8. And from the name, how many digits does it have? 8, isn't it? So from 0 to 7. 0 to 7 is under base 8. And if we look at the next one, you have your decimal number system. And it's under what? Base 10. So in this number system, how many digits do we have? 10, is it not? From 0 to what? 9. Very good. And the next one is what? Hexadecimal number system, which is in base what? 16. So I hope we know the types of number system we have. So who can help me with the number system? Yes, if you know it, raise up your hand to tell us the types of number system. Yes?
Binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, and hexadecimal number system.
Good. What is a binary number system? It signifies that it has 2 what? Digits, which are 0 and 1. Examples. So let's look at this evaluation question. First of all, dash is a mathematical value used for counting or measuring or labeling objects. Yes? Yes. Osasu.
A number.
A number. Is she correct? Okay. The next one. The number of digits or combination of digits that a system of counting uses to represent number is called... Yes, Ivy. What's the answer?
Number system.
Yes, very good. A number system in base 2 is called binary system. The number used in binary number system are 0 and 1. Very good. What base is the hexadecimal system? Yes, base 16. Which of the following is not a binary number? Yes, Musa. B. That's 12011, because from the explanation I said binary digits is what? 2 digits, which is what? 0 and 1. And you can see 2 is there, so it is not a binary number system. Then the last one, the number base system that uses 0 to 9 and A to F is what number base? Yes, hexadecimal. Examples. Now I want to convert from one base to what? Base 10. And in doing that, we have two methods. The first one, we call it expansion what? Method. And the second one, we call it what? Repeated multiplication method. Now, the first example here says we should convert 110011. 110011. Now we want to use our expansion method. The first thing for us to do is to number from our right hand side. That's the last part. And we number from what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we saying it? Remember, it is in base 2. So we want to expand it. We open our bracket. What's the first digit? 1, isn't it? Times your base, which is what? 2, raised to power 5. Are you with me? Then what's the second digit? 1 times what? 2, raised to power 4. Good. Then the next one is what? 0 times 2, raised to power what?
3.
Plus, what's the next one? 0 times 2, raised to power 2. Plus, what's the next one? 1 times 2, raised to power 1. Plus 1 times 2, raised to power 0. So this is what you call your expansion method. Then, what is 2 raised to power 5? 2 raised to power 5 means multiply 2. How many times? 5 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 raised to power 5 is what? 32. So we are going to write 1 times 32 plus 2 raised to power 4, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, isn't it? So 2 times 2 class times 2 times 2. So we are going to have 1 times what? 16 plus 0 times, so who can help us with 2 raised to power 3? What's 2 raised to power 3? Yes? 8. So we are going to write 8 here plus 0 times, what's 2 raised to power 2? Yes? 4. Very good. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 is what? 2. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0, 1. So anything raised to power 0, no matter the number, is what? 1. So 1 times 32 is what? Plus 1 times 16. 0 times 8. 0 times 4. 1 times 2. And 1 times 1. Then we add 32 plus 16 is what? 48. Plus 2, 50, plus 1, 51. So then we'll put our base. What were we converting it to? Base 10. So our answer is 51 base 10. This is what you call your expansion method. Now your classwork is going to be on converting of what? Numbers. Now this classwork, you are going to solve it using any of the methods that you were taught today. You can use your expansion or you can use your repeated multiplication method. And so you have time to do this, and when you are done, submit your notes. My name is Chioma Ijibo, and I'm a mathematics teacher in Greater Tomorrow Academy. Like you just watched now, I taught on number-based system. Now mathematics is a very interesting subject which deals with the foundation of all science subjects. It brings out the mathematical knowledge, critical thinking of a student. And if you look at the number-based system which was taught today, we converted from one base to base 10. We also looked at the types of numbers, how we can use numbers. We can use it in labeling, in measuring, and even counting. Even when you tell your child now, maybe count how many books are on the table, the child will be able to count using what? Numbers. And that's what we looked at today. And after that, you can see that the children are learning, and they have been able to differentiate between a number and what a number-based system is. And they have been able to tell us the types of number-based system we have, which are the binary, octal number system, binary, and hexadecimal number system. And we have been able to convert it to base 10 using two methods, which we have called as expansion and repeated multiplication method. And after that, they are now doing their classwork. And after the classwork, we are going to be looking at how to apply it to our real life situation, because we don't just want to solve maths, we also want to apply it to the world. How do we apply this number-based system? It can be applied in coding, in our computer programming. It can be applied in our physics, where we call our mechanics, where you can be able to check how many times can you connect a bulb to a switch. How many times do you think it's going to work? So we are not just here in GTA to just study or solve, but we want to apply it to our real life situation. How can we help the world with the subjects we are learning in class? It's not just by learning, because now the world is not about what you study, but what you can apply, what you can work with. So now this number-based system is going to be applied in so many places in our life. So that's what we have done today, and I hope they will impact this knowledge across the world. Thank you.
My favorite book is any book of mathematics because I like to calculate. My favorite book is English because I love spelling.